Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the best investing apps for beginners. With the explosion of popularity in investing in recent years, there are now many apps available, each with different features, pros and cons, and layouts. We will discuss apps that are beginner friendly, easy to use, versatile, and have the ability to achieve your investment goals. Before we start, please hit the like and subscribe button as it really helps the channel. The first investment app on this list is Acorns. Acorns is based in Irvine, California, and has a key feature of automatically investing for you into one of their diversified ETF portfolios, which are designed by their team of financial experts, which makes them more of a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors use computer algorithms and advanced software to build and manage your investment portfolio, which makes them a much cheaper option than an in-person financial advisor. This allows one to invest in the stock market without having to do extensive research on what to invest in. This is beneficial for beginners who prefer to invest while being hands-off and letting a professional, computer-managed, automated service to invest for them. With Acorns, you can connect your debit or credit card, and Acorns will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar amount and give you the option to transfer the difference into an investment portfolio. For example, if you buy a $3.50 coffee with a linked credit card or debit card, Acorns will round up the purchase to $4 and put the 50-cent difference into investing. You can also transfer the difference into savings, which is another highlight of Acorns, that it can be an automated savings tool for you. Acorns offers 3 accounts, which is the Light, Personal, and Family account. The Light account is its standard taxable brokerage account. The Personal type adds an individual retirement account, as well as a checking account. Their Family account includes everything in their lower tiers, but also includes their Acorns Early feature, which allows you to open investment accounts for kids. Another interesting feature is Acorns Earn, where you can earn cashback rewards at almost 10,000 companies when you use a linked payment method. These rewards will appear in your Acorns account, which you can also use to invest. Acorns also provides educational content on their website to highlight key investing terms and uses understandable language when explaining them, which is useful for beginners. They also offer custodial brokerage accounts, so if you're a parent and you would like to have your kids invested in the stock market, you are able to do so. Acorns is definitely for those who want to invest in the stock market, but want it to be very low maintenance and easy for them to do so, as Acorns service will competently do it for you. Some cons of Acorns is that it has a $1 monthly fee to have a taxable investment brokerage account. The Light, Personal, and Family accounts mentioned earlier have a different monthly fee, ranging from $1 to $5 depending on which plan you decide to get. If you decide to transfer your ETFs to another brokerage account, they will charge a $50 fee per ETF that you like to transfer, whereas other brokerages would only charge a $70 flat fee to transfer all your assets to another brokerage. Lastly, it doesn't allow you to choose individual stocks that you like to invest in, as they only give you the option to invest in one of its portfolios designed by their experts, which leads to the second app on this list, which is Webull. Webull is a financial tech company based in China and offers free trades on stocks and ETFs, free options trading, and no account minimum. Its user interface is both easy to understand for beginner investors and contains tools and features for more intermediate to advanced investors. One can start with a beginner-friendly investing app like Webull, and once they become more experienced in investing, they can still use Webull to do more expert-level trading and investing. This allows Webull to be a very versatile app for beginners, as well as for intermediate and advanced investors, or to grow from beginner to an expert over time. Webull has a paper trading feature which beginners can use to trade stocks with virtual money in the app and become familiar with the action of buying and selling stocks, as well as learning all the other tools, features, and functions of Webull. They also have a community tab, which is where one can see posts and topics by other users on investing in the stock market. Webull's user interface is also excellent on its desktop app, which can be useful for investors of all levels. They've also recently introduced fractional share investing on their app and platform, which was a feature that wasn't available for a few years since their launch in 2017. Webull also offers cryptocurrency investing for those interested. A couple of drawbacks of Webull is that it doesn't provide much educational content on its platform to help you understand advanced investing topics such as day trading, options trading, and margin. They also do not offer any interest on uninvested cash you deposit in the platform, so your uninvested cash will not earn interest if it sits idly in Webull, while other brokerages may offer that feature. Acorns and Webull are both new school names in the world of brokerages. So if you're looking for a traditional, well-known, and established company to open a beginner investing account, check out the third app on this list, which is Fidelity. Fidelity is an established name in the finance world. Like Webull, Fidelity Investments offers commission-free stock, ETF, and options trades. They are also known for their large research providers, strong customer service, and their mobile app, which has high ratings. Their platform is easy to navigate and can be customized for advanced traders. It also contains many strong stock research providers that can give investors more in-depth analytics and data for companies that they are interested in investing in. They not only offer trading on their mobile app, but they also have a desktop platform for active traders. Fidelity has many company branches if you ever need to see someone in person for help and questions. Fidelity Investments enjoys having a high reputation and well-known brand name, which makes it trustworthy and reliable to use to invest. A couple cons of Fidelity Investments is that its mobile app user interface may look old-fashioned, even though they recently updated their user interface. In comparison to other popular brokerage apps, the user interface in Fidelity Investments still fall behind in feeling like it has a sleek, modern look. However, if that doesn't bother you, Fidelity Investments is a good all-rounder app for a beginner to start investing with. Next up is Robinhood. Robinhood is likely the most popular trading app on the market today. It has a modern, easy to understand and navigate with user interface that gives users a quick and informative glimpse of how the stock market is doing upon logging in. When clicking a stock on its app, it provides a clear snapshot of the stock price and historical performance, which is easy to trace left and right with your finger or cursor. It offers fractional share investing and a recurring investments feature, which allows users to set a cash amount for a time frame to automatically invest into stocks for them. This feature is useful for those who want to invest consistently weekly or perhaps monthly in the stock market, or whichever time frame works for them. Robinhood makes it very easy and fast to sign up and be approved, and to make funds available through its instant deposits feature to begin investing right away. The downsides of Robinhood is that it has been known to have experienced outages during high volume trading, and even at times restricted trade on stocks. Most recently in 2021, there was an event of massive trading for meme stocks. Meme stocks such as GameStop and AMC was restricted by Robinhood for a time, which hurt the company's image and angered a lot of investors that wanted to buy these stocks during that time. However, for casual, average investors who don't care about investing into meme stocks, will still find Robinhood's beginner-friendly and streamlined app to be very useful and convenient. Lastly is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade offers the flexibility for being a great platform for beginner and advanced investors. They require a $0 minimum investment and provide notable features such as extensive investor education and advice, data and research, and has many company branches if you ever need in-person customer support. Like Webull, TD Ameritrade also has a paper trading feature to help beginners become familiar with trading in its app and getting a feel for buying, holding, and selling stocks. TD Ameritrade has two main trading apps, each with their own respective desktop trading platform, which is the main TD Ameritrade app, suitable for beginner and casual investors, and Thinkorswim, which has many expert tools, functions, and data for active and serious investors and traders. A drawback to TD Ameritrade is that it does not have fractional share investing, which many other investing apps do offer. Fractional share trading is the feature to buy small amounts of whole shares from companies that may be too expensive for an investor interested in them. For example, a whole share of Amazon can cost $3,000, and with fractional share trading, one can buy $100 worth of Amazon stock if they wish to do so. TD Ameritrade is a nice beginner app for those who want to start casually investing and eventually would like to become more hands-on and active in investing, in which they could also do advanced trades through their app. Personally, the apps I started with was Webull and Robinhood. I opened a Webull account and shortly after Robinhood because those two were popular and recommended to me at that time, and both had sign-up bonuses. Robinhood felt like the more easier app to understand and approach out of the two after signing up, but after spending more time playing with Webull, I became more comfortable with its app. It feels like Robinhood was the app most investors start with, then after some experience get into Webull, or other platforms that have more intermediate to advanced trading features. My friends and family who are casual average investors and don't have interest in investing in meme stocks have consistently been satisfied with Robinhood, despite their recent public feedback on how they handle those trending meme stock trading events. Nowadays, I use Webull mostly, but use Robinhood to check the stock market, since I think their front page has a very nice look to easily see all the graphs and prices in the stock market. If I started over, I'd probably check out Acorns first, since their app is a robo-advisor made by financial and investing experts that handles making solid investments and provides educational content on investing on their platform. I think I would have benefited more from using them for a while, as as I was learning about investing in the beginning. When I first started investing, I definitely made beginner mistakes in investing in individual companies. Whereas if I invested more into ETFs at the start, I would have had more consistent gains. And just to get the general feel of what investing cash into the stock market is like. Definitely do your own further research as to which beginner investing app you should start using. If you have family or friends using a certain app, I recommend asking them how they feel about it and if they recommend it to you too. And those are what I think the best investment apps for beginners. If you decide to sign up for any of the brokerage apps that I mentioned in this video, I do have referral links in the description that if you use them will reward you free stocks when signing up and will also help support the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. I make videos on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. Thank you, and I will see you all in the next video.